Hello everyone, welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Amrita Harjani. Today we will be discussing about stress management topic. This is a very recent and updated topic, as well as stress is such a term that affects not only the students but each and every individual, and for each and every aspect of life we can see this term being very popular as well as affecting everyone in today's scenario. When we are talking about the term stress, according to Hans Selle, what the term stress is being quoted by him is, everyone knows what stress is but no one really knows what actually it is. It means stress is an inbuilt activity, it is an inbuilt concept. According to the recent survey, it was being found that stress is an emotional, psychological, mental well-being being affected to each and every individual. We need to understand that stress to some extent is good for each and every human being, but if it is being extended beyond that certain limit, it is going to create a problem in an individual's life. Stress is an unavoidable consequence of life. We cannot escape from this term, but we need to know how to balance this term with professional as well as personal life. There are certain factors that are affecting the stress. Those factors are known as stressors. These stressors are nothing but some of the stressors which are external in nature, that is being created from the external environment, and these factors are unavoidable in nature. When we are talking of these external stressors, it is very important that we should be pre-planned, we should be very much well in advance ready with the various strategies so that we can fight with them, and we know that how to balance these external stressors with our individual life, because these are unavoidable in nature. Certain stress, as I said earlier, are good in nature. Some of them can be prevented with the help of time management activity. Yes, time management is a very important management concept, and it is to be advised that each and every institutions, universities as well as organizations should go on with these concepts. When we are talking of this concept, that is time management, means I am talking of balancing not only with the time but also with the various routine activities as well as the professionalism and personal life to be balanced. Like for example, work-life balance, quality of work life should be balanced very well. There is a myth about this stress that it is harmful for the human life, but according to the recent research, it is said that stress belongs to each and every human being's life. It is an inbuilt concept. Yes, stress is there, but to some extent it is acceptable for each and every one. But we should understand how to cope up with this term in our life, because it is affecting not only health, that is the physical aspect, but emotional, mental well-being is also being affected. When we are talking of the term stress, there are certain layman terms, there are certain layman definitions that are being quoted, that stress is a normal psychological as well as physical reaction to anyone's demand of life. There are various aspects, like high level of stress is leading to various serious health related problems. Whereas when we are talking of this term, it is having certain symptoms in terms of mental well-being as well as psychologically, whereas emotional, physically we can see, like for example, there is a numbness to certain feelings, there is a loss of interest, people are having depression towards certain things, there is a nightmare, various other symptoms like loss of appetite, there is an emotional outbreak, angerness, There is an increased use of alcohol and drugs as well as addiction towards certain things. Sadness, powerlessness, people are crying towards certain small situations. Sleep problems, there might be psychological problems like anxiety, headaches, stomach pains, like physical aspects are also being seen. So what we can do towards these term, that is stress, how we can balance this term stress with our day to day life. We can plan certain healthy ways. We should know, we should learn certain healthy ways to reduce its harmful effects. When we are talking of this reducing the effect of stress, there are 4 A's that we need to follow in our day to day life. The first A is avoid. Yes, avoidance is the best key aspect towards certain symptoms of stress. We should learn to say no. We should avoid the people who are not at all bothered about your life, because we should take care of our surroundings. We should even alter, that is the second A. We should be very much ready with the recent changes, with the immediate changes in the organization that are happening. We should be very much flexible. Whatever the situations that are happening with us, if we are not comfortable, we should immediately we should communicate our feelings openly. We should even be respectful about the others. We should even be ready with all the changes that are happening in our organization. The third A is all about accept. We should be ready to forgive. We should talk with someone. It should not be within ourselves. We should be able to learn from our mistakes. We should know that yes, this is our fault, and we should be ready with the suggestions, with the changes. Yes, this should not happen again in the future. The fourth A is about the adapt. Adaptation is nothing but we should be adjustable according to our standards. We should be looking into the big picture. We should adopt the mantras like yes, we should reframe the issues that are happening. The right technique should be chosen. The tips for self-care. Yes, self-care, self-me is very important. Self-satisfaction is very important. We should first look at into ourselves, that whether we are happy or not, rather than looking into the surroundings. How and why we should go on with the self-care. There are various tips like we should avoid the addictive elements like drugs, alcoholism. We should find certain support. The emotional support plays an important role. It might be of family, it might be of the friends with whom we are having an close context, with whom we are finding a comfort zone. We should even connect socially. The friends element, the relatives element plays an important role. When we are talking of taking care of ourselves, means I am talking of healthy diet to be followed, exercise regularly, there should be plenty of sleep. We should even take breaks, small breaks from the activities which are causing the stress in our life. We should maintain a normal routine. Along with the exercises, in order to stay active, we should even write something. We should write it out, whatever the problems that we are facing. If we are not able to share it with easily with anyone, we should enjoy in whatever we are doing it. The relaxation of body is very important. We should focus not only on our health element, but our emotions plays an important role. So that should also be balanced. To relieve this stress, one of the very important element is laughter. It is not a joke, my dear friends. Yes, when we are talking of short-term benefits, we should start laughing it out, because it induces the physical changes. When we are talking of the term laughing, means it is stimulating our organs, it is activating our hormones, and even it is activating the various elements, like laughing can results into soothing out the tensions. Laughter is resulting into the long term effects, like it makes up the mind, it releases the emotional tension, it even having an improvement in our immune system, it relieves the pains, as well as satisfaction and mood level is being made up to certain level. When we are talking of the term laughter, it is improving our sense of humor. We should not be afraid about any kind of problem that is happening with us. We should be ready to face with that problem with a big smile, because that is going to create that is going to result into reducing our larger number of tension. We should even share a laugh. We should laugh, we should make others also laugh. What is funny, that is the next step, but first of all we should be satisfied with ourselves. Now blaming others makes the stress more worse. We should understand that yes, the world around us is affecting lot of stress level. It is because there is lot of competition everywhere. For each and every small thing we will find that yes, there are so many competitors around us, but no matter what is happening, making others into the problematic situation, like yes, this is only yours fault, to make others screwed up to the situations is completely a wrong thing. We should learn to admit that yes, this is the mistake that has happened and it is because of us. This will not repeat again and we will improve for our mistakes. Change it up and be accountable. When we are saying this, means we should accept our responsibilities. We should be ready with the changes. We should be accountable towards the various responsibilities that are being given by the various superiors in the organization. We should know that yes, this is our work, this is our priorities, time management, that this work should be done immediately, this work should be done accordingly. And we should understand our role. We should understand ourselves. Yes, this is my duty, this is my responsibility and I should be accountable for it. Serenity prayer. Yes, some of the positive lines, some of the thoughts that should be there with you for the entire day. Grant me the courage to change the things I can change, the serenity to accept the things I can't change, and the wisdom to know the difference, by Reynold Neuberhall, Serenity Prayer. There are certain foods that are to be adopted that will stress you out. Those are nothing but you should step away from the coffee, lay off the salt element, avoid the vending machines, kick off the fried foods or the habits if you are having for the fast food thing. It should be limited to certain extent. Cut back on the booze effects. Managing the stress in the future. Stress management is very important. We should create nearby our environment the culture which is very positive. The mindset should be such like this, because the positivity plays an important role even in the negative situations. There should be so many positivity around us. There should be such an element that whatever the stress is happening, but because of your relaxation of your stress element, because of the positivity, we will be able to relate that if certain illness is happening, if certain health problems are happening, because of that positivity, around 50% of the stress is being reduced. We should know that yes, stress management can be very well being managed in the workplace, because stress is a science. Stress is an there are certain concepts like ergonomics. We should know how to posture ourselves, how to sit, because taking care of your body to acknowledge the stress sensitivity element is very important. We should be very proactive when it comes to various strategies and challenges that are coming up. We should be very much trained. That is the role and responsibility of each and every organization, to train and make the employee ready for the changes that are happening in the organization. Thank you everyone for patiently listening.